Hello everyone, welcome back to X-STRUCTION. This is the 2025 Porsche 911 GT3 RS. The 911 is Porsche's iconic coupe or convertible performance car. And the GT3 RS is the most track-focused 911 trim level. It's powered by a 4-liter flat-6 engine producing 518 horsepower and 342 pound-feet of torque. That power is sent through a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission into the rear wheels. This can do 0 to 60 in about 3 seconds and has a top speed of 184 mph. This also has the Weissach package, which includes very lightweight wheels, carbon fiber all over, and a carbon fiber adjustable rear wing. It has Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires with blue wheels, as well as Porsche brake calipers. There's fins all throughout the vehicle, as well as scallop vents to help with the aerodynamics. There's a black front splitter and a vent right here that goes through a radiator and up through here, and then these fins that allow the air to pass over the car. It also has LED turn signals, and then the Porsche LED matrix headlights. There's a ton of carbon fiber, and then a Porsche badge that's generally just a sticker. More fins in the side of the car to help with the aerodynamics, and you can see just how thin the treads on the tires are. There's a camera up there to help with the safety features. And then carbon fiber mirror caps with carbon fiber trimming by the windows. GT3 RS stickers on the side that look really cool. And then a fake vent in here that actually adds to the style of the car. Very slim door handles and fins on top of the carbon fiber roof to help air to cleanly pass over it. More vents for aerodynamics in the back, as well as reflectors, 2 center exhaust tips, and a large rear diffuser. A full LED taillight bar with Porsche lettering and GT3 RS badging. And then the Weissach RS adjustable rear wing with a carbon fiber piece and a body painted piece there. There's the third brake light back here and air vents, as well as a massive rear window. Puddle lights on the bottom of the doors, as well as suede and a ton of leather. There's also carbon fiber here, and you pull the strap to open up the door because that saves weight over a door handle. There's lock and unlock buttons, storage space, and a Bose sound system, as well as mirror adjustments and window controls. A carbon fiber trim plate down here, and then you pull this to open the hood, and you pull this to open up the trunk. There are leather and suede bucket seats, and for $4,000 you can get a 3D printed driver's seat. There's carbon fiber and cutouts to save weight. Weissach RS stitched into the headrest, and these seats are only manually adjustable, and they aren't adjustable in many ways. Inside, there's also an Alcantara wrap steering wheel with all the controls for the vehicle, including PASM, PTV, ESC, and the drive modes. There's also headlight controls on this stalk, and then cruise control on that one. You put the key in the car and you turn this to turn it on. And then there's also headlight controls. There's also a partially digital gauge cluster with the RPM gauge being the only real gauge there. More Alcantara with a Porsche badge, and then there's also even more carbon fiber with a small cup holder. The gear selector that kind of looks like a manual transmission, although there are only 2 pedals. And then there's also fan speed controls behind that and a center touchscreen, as well as Alcantara up on the dash and air vents. Beautiful paddle shifters that sound absolutely beautiful. And the passenger seat is not 3D printed like the driver one, although there is a fire extinguisher in front of it. There's no rear seats back there, although there is a little bit of storage space, and it is kind of hard to fit stuff back there. And this is also the only 911 that does not have a front trunk. The Porsche 911 GT3 RS, as built, is priced at $500,000. This is one of my dream cars too. And this is an absolutely beautiful vehicle that Porsche did an amazing job on. It looks great from every angle and is very fun to drive. If you enjoyed this video, please drop a like and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.